How to sync Obsidian files across 8 platforms. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search bar. Now tap on the search icon and type Obsidian Notes. Now click on search and tap on install. Now while the app is being installed, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now after installing, tap on the search icon and search for folder sync. Now click on search and tap on install. Now go back to the home screen and open up Obsidian link. Now once you open, wait for some time. Now tap on grant permission. Now give the permission and go back. Now tap on create new vault. Now tap on choose. Now tap on the plus folder icon. Type Obsidian. Now tap on OK. Now tap on use this folder. Now click on allow. Now go back to the home screen and open up folder sync. Now tap on agree. Now select accept privacy policy and click on next. Now tap on finish. Now tap on add account. Now find OneDrive. Now select OneDrive. Close the ad. Now tap on folder pair. Now under SD card select folder. Now scroll down and select Obsidian. Now tap on select. Now enter your name and click on save. Now click on authenticate account. Now log in into your account. Now after login, your account will be synced. Make sure the account you are using for OneDrive is the same account you are using it on other platforms. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.